Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we saw how emotional instability leads to stronger reactions, how behavior becomes faster and more automatic. Now we move further, because those reactions are not neutral. They are observed, interpreted, measured. And here's the question guiding this lesson. How do repeated reactions begin to change how others perceive your value? It does not start with one reaction. Everyone reacts sometimes. What matters is repetition. When a pattern appears, people begin to notice. Not consciously at first, but consistently. Each reaction sends a signal. It shows what affects you, what you prioritize, what you cannot ignore. Over time, others begin to understand where your attention goes automatically. When reactions become predictable, something shifts. Others no longer need to guess how you will respond. They already know. And predictability changes how behavior is valued. Once your reactions are predictable, influencing you becomes easier. Not because someone is trying to control you intentionally, but because your pattern is clear. And clarity creates leverage. Compare two people. Both are in the same situation. One reacts consistently and visibly. The other remains less predictable. Over time, the second person becomes harder to read and harder to influence. You see this everywhere. In relationships, where one person's reactions become expected, at work, where emotional responses define reputation, in social groups, where patterns shape position. In each case, repeated reactions shape perception. So return to the question, how do reactions change how others see your value? Over the next few days, observe what others can predict about you. What triggers a response? What creates a reaction? Notice the patterns. Because value is not only what you say or do once, it is what you do consistently. In the next lesson, we move into something even more subtle, how others begin to adjust their behavior based on those patterns.